Loading the game over menu is pretty easy. You've probably already guessed how to do this. Remember that when we made our main menu, we went to File and then Build Settings, and in our build settings we dragged these two scenes so that these numbers or the order of them would become available in script. So to load back to the main menu when we die, you can open up the player script, go down to where it says health is smaller than or is equal to 0, and then in here we can basically load the other level by typing application.load level and then going back to 0, which is our main menu. So now if I run the game and I basically get shot, as soon as I die, we will go back to the main menu. Now of course you can make another scene, drag it into the build settings and make it a game over scene, have some animations or some music playing, and then from there fade on back to the main menu. So that's how to go back to the menu, and it basically feels like very much a game already. But there's still more to do, so let's move on.